Welcome, and wishing you a great tour from Las Vegas to wonderful places like Grand Canyon West, Hoover Dam, and Skywalk.
Overview. Enjoy more time exploring the Grand Canyon and less time waiting around on this exclusive West Rim group day trip from Las Vegas. Relax in an air-conditioned vehicle and avoid waiting in long lines with a Grand Canyon ambassador who scans your tickets right on board. Get direct access to Eagle Point and Guano Point and spend your time admiring the awe-inspiring views. For an even more unforgettable experience, customize your tour by adding lunch, a Grand Canyon Skywalk ticket, or a helicopter and boat ride and lunch. Skip the long lines at Grand Canyon West with VIP bus access. Tour includes pickup and drop-off from select Las Vegas hotels. Access great photo opportunities, including the Hoover Dam. Option to include lunch, helicopter pontoon boat ride, or skywalk. Itinerary. Your full-day tour to the Grand Canyon West Rim from Las Vegas begins with a pickup from one of several designated hotels. Make an early start to avoid the crowds and the heat of the day. Plus, a Grand Canyon ambassador boards the bus to scan tickets so you can avoid long lines and head straight to the sights. Unlike many tours that rush through the Grand Canyon, this one gives you plenty of time to fully appreciate the sights. Enjoy direct access to Eagle and Guano Points, and enjoy the thrill of walking on the glass floors of the Grand Canyon Skywalk, if option selected, or the aerial and canyon views from a helicopter and pontoon boat ride, if option selected. Refuel with a tasty lunch, if option selected. Snacks and bottled water will be provided to keep you hydrated in this hot climate. There will also be time to stop at the Hoover Dam for an epic photo opportunity and to admire the views of Lake Mead. At the end of the tour, you'll be dropped off again at select Las Vegas hotels. Las Vegas Strip. Enjoy convenient pickup service from select hotels along the Las Vegas Strip, ensuring a hassle-free start to your Grand Canyon adventure. Pickup time is approximately 6:20 a.m., allowing you to maximize your day exploring the Grand Canyon. Enjoy seamless transportation and exceptional service from start to finish. Arizona's Joshua Tree Forest. Travel through the ancient Joshua Tree Forest en route to the west rim of the Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon West. Spend 3.5 hours discovering the stunning Grand Canyon's west rim, a unique destination that is home to the Hualapai Indian tribe. Your visit includes time at Eagle Point, 30 minutes to 1 hour, Guano Point, 30 minutes to 1 hour, and the option to experience the thrilling Skywalk, 30 minutes to 1 hour. For an even more unforgettable experience, you can add a helicopter and pontoon boat tour, 20 to 30 minutes, or West Rim airplane flight tour for optional upgrade, 20 minutes. Enjoy lunch, if option selected, and take in the breathtaking views throughout your visit. Located at the western end of the Colorado Canyon, the West Rim is just 3 hours' drive from Las Vegas. The Skywalk, a U-shaped glass bridge, offers an exhilarating experience of the canyon's vastness and beauty. Grand Canyon Skywalk. Step onto the Grand Canyon West Skywalk for breathtaking, unparalleled views of one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. This 10-foot-wide horseshoe-shaped glass bridge extends 70 feet beyond the canyon's edge, offering a thrilling, clear view 4,000 feet down to the canyon floor. There's no adventure quite like the Skywalk, where you can walk on glass high above the Grand Canyon and experience its vastness from a whole new perspective. Eagle Point. Head to Eagle Point, the iconic home of the Grand Canyon Skywalk, for spectacular views of the West Rim. This stunning lookout offers breathtaking vistas of the Grand Canyon, and if you look closely, you can spot the eagle-shaped rock formation that gives Eagle Point its name. Don't miss the chance to experience one of the most famous viewing points at the Grand Canyon West. Guano Point. Experience even more spectacular views at Guano Point, one of the best vantage points over the Colorado River at Grand Canyon West.
take a hike to the highest point for panoramic scenery, offering majestic views of the Colorado River and the vastness of the canyon. If you prefer a more relaxed visit, simply unwind and soak in the tranquility of this stunning natural wonder. Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. On your return journey to Las Vegas, enjoy a scenic stop at the Hoover Dam Memorial Bridge for a photo opportunity. Capture stunning images of the iconic Hoover Dam before continuing your comfortable bus ride back to Las Vegas.